Hey everybody, welcome to our channel where we explore the secrets to living a vibrant and youthful life. We're so glad you're here with us today. You know those days when you look in the mirror and think, who is that? It's like overnight, a few more lines appeared. Or maybe your skin just doesn't have that glow it used to. We've all been there. The truth is, aging is a natural part of life, but who says we can't age gracefully? Embracing the process while looking and feeling our best is the goal. We're talking about feeling vibrant, energized, and yes, even looking younger. Imagine waking up every day with a spring in your step and a smile on your face. Today we're diving deep into the world of anti-aging, and guess what? It all starts with what's on your plate. The foods we eat play a crucial role in how we age, and the best part, we can do it naturally. No need for expensive treatments or invasive procedures. Just wholesome, delicious foods that nourish our bodies from the inside out. We're unlocking the secrets of 7 powerful foods that can help turn back the clock. These foods are packed with nutrients that support healthy skin, boost energy, and promote overall well-being. These aren't your average fruits and veggies. We're talking about potent, delicious, and easy-to-find foods that can make a real difference. Foods that not only taste great, but also help you look and feel your best. If you're ready to feel confident, radiant, and ready to embrace each day with youthful energy, you're in the right place. We're here to guide you on this journey to a healthier, more vibrant you. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss an episode. We have so much valuable content coming your way, and we don't want you to miss a thing. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let's spread the word about living a healthy, youthful life together. Let's get started. Let's talk about blueberries, those tiny but mighty berries that pack a punch in both flavor and nutrition. Bursting with flavor and anti-aging goodness, these little blue wonders are more than just a tasty treat. We're not just talking about any blueberries here. We're talking about nature's little helpers in the fight against free radicals. These berries are cultivated with care, ensuring they retain their maximum nutritional value. You see, free radicals are like those troublemakers that damage our cells and contribute to aging. They are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to various health issues. But fear not, because blueberries are here to save the day. These berries are rich in vitamins C and K, fiber, and manganese, making them a nutritional powerhouse. These little gems are packed with antioxidants, and we're talking about a powerful army of antioxidants ready to combat those free radicals head-on. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, reducing their ability to cause harm. Think of antioxidants as the superheroes of the food world, fighting off damage, protecting your cells, and keeping you looking and feeling your best. They help in reducing inflammation and boosting your immune system. And the best part? You can enjoy blueberries in so many ways. Whether it's in a smoothie, sprinkled on your morning oatmeal, or just as a quick snack, blueberries are versatile and delicious. So go ahead, indulge in these tiny blue powerhouses and unlock their full potential for your health and well-being. Get ready to say hello to your new favorite beauty secret, the avocado. This creamy, delicious fruit is a powerhouse of nutrients that will transform your skin from the inside out. We're talking about a total glow-up, and it all starts with those healthy fats. Avocados are bursting with monounsaturated fats, the kind that are good for your heart and amazing for your skin. These healthy fats help keep your skin moisturized, plump, and oh so supple. And that's not all. Avocados are also loaded with vitamins A, D, and E, a trio of vitamins that work together to protect your skin from damage and keep it looking youthful and radiant. Let's talk about nuts, those little bundles of flavor and nutrition that are about to become your new go-to snack. We're talking about almonds, walnuts, pecans, the whole gang. These little powerhouses are packed with nutrients that can help you age gracefully from the inside out. First up, we have vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from damage caused by the sun and pollution. Think of vitamin E as your skin's personal bodyguard, shielding it from harm and keeping it looking its best. And then we have omega-3 fatty acids, those healthy fats that are essential for brain health, heart health, and yes, you guessed it, skin health. Chapter 4. Leafy greens, your secret weapon for youthful vitality. Get ready to go green because we're diving into the world of leafy greens. We're talking about spinach, kale, collard greens, and all their leafy friends. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help you feel young, vibrant, and full of energy. Leafy greens are like a multivitamin from nature, providing your body with a wide range of nutrients it needs to thrive. We're talking about vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as folate, iron, and calcium. These nutrients work together to support your immune system, boost your energy levels, and keep your skin looking healthy and radiant. Chapter 5. Let's talk about sweet potatoes, those vibrant orange root vegetables that are about to become your new secret weapon in the fight against aging. Sweet potatoes are not only delicious and versatile, but they're also packed with beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that can work wonders for your skin. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in the body, and vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy skin. It helps protect your skin from sun damage, promotes cell turnover, and keeps your complexion looking smooth and youthful. Chapter 6. Get ready to raise a glass to green tea, the ancient beverage that's been revered for centuries for its health and beauty benefits. Green tea is rich in polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that can help protect your skin from damage and keep it looking youthful and radiant. One of the key polyphenols in green tea is EGCG, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. EGCG helps protect your skin from sun damage, reduces inflammation, and even helps to prevent collagen breakdown, keeping your skin looking firm and youthful. Chapter 7. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate, the ultimate indulgence, can actually be good for your skin. Now, before you go raiding the candy aisle, let's be clear. We're talking about dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, the kind that's rich in flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that can work wonders for your skin. Flavonoids help protect your skin from sun damage, improve blood flow to the skin, and even help to boost collagen production, keeping your skin looking firm, supple, and youthful. So go ahead, indulge in a piece or two of dark chocolate. So there you have it, my friends. We've explored some incredible ways to nourish our bodies and enhance our natural beauty. 7 powerful foods that you can easily incorporate into your diet. These foods are not just delicious, but they are packed with nutrients that can help you feel and look your best. By adding these to your meals, you can help turn back the clock and embrace your natural radiance. Imagine starting your day with a vibrant green smoothie or a colorful salad for lunch. Remember, true beauty comes from within. It's not just about what we put on our skin, but also what we put into our bodies. Meditation and self-reflection can also play a huge role in how we feel and look. And by nourishing your body with these nutrient-rich foods, you're not only supporting your overall health, but also giving your skin that natural, healthy glow. You're not only supporting your overall health, but also enhancing your natural glow. Engaging in regular physical activities like yoga or jogging can further boost your energy and vitality, but also enhancing your natural glow. When you look in the mirror and see that radiant skin, you'll know it's a reflection of the care and love you've given to your body. If you're ready to feel confident, vibrant, and ready to embrace each day with youthful energy, then these lifestyle changes are for you. Imagine waking up each morning feeling refreshed and full of life, and ready to embrace each day with youthful energy. Make sure you give these foods a try. Whether it's a hike with friends or a peaceful morning stretch, these habits can transform your life. Make sure you give these foods a try. Incorporate superfoods like quinoa, berries, and leafy greens into your diet for a powerful boost. And don't forget to share your anti-aging journey with me in the comments below. I love hearing your stories and seeing your progress. I'd love to hear about your favorite ways to enjoy these foods and the amazing results you're seeing. Maybe you have a special recipe or a unique way of incorporating these foods into your meals and the amazing results you're seeing. Share your before and after photos, your glowing skin, and your vibrant energy. Thank you so much for watching. Your journey to natural radiance is just beginning, and I'm so excited to be a part of it. And remember, You are beautiful, you are worthy, and you deserve to shine. Embrace your natural beauty and let it radiate from within. And you deserve to shine. Every day is a new opportunity to take care of yourself and let your inner beauty shine through. Until next time, take care and keep glowing. Your journey to a healthier, more radiant you is a beautiful one. Keep shining, and I'll see you in the next video.